Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to change one page to landscape in Word and keep the rest to portrait. So if you want to go ahead and have this one specific page on a landscape mode and the other onto portrait, then you're onto the right guide. So for us to be able to do this, as you can see, I've prepared already 2 pages of my Word. So right after, for us to be able to proceed for this, we need to head here onto the upper part and click onto the page layout. So we need to go ahead and click onto the first page first. So for example, if this is the page that we want to go ahead and make it a landscape, we're going to go ahead and click onto the breaks in here. And then we'll click onto the next page. So this will insert a section break and start the new section on the next page. So as you can see, if we click onto that, instead of having this 2 pages on one section, this one is already onto section 1 and this is already onto section 2. So if we go ahead and have the cursor here and we change the orientation for this one to landscape, this is the only one who will be changed. So we could do the same thing for this. Let's leave that back to portrait, change the other one in here to landscape, and it should look like this. So you'll just need to apply in a break to go ahead and have the 2 pages separated. So there are a lot of section break option that you could choose in here, but I prefer the next page for this one so that it will go directly for the next page. And that is just basically it onto how to change one page to landscape in Word and keep the rest portrait. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.